Washing machine, seen better days. Live from Daybro. What's the date?
The 13th of Wednesday. August.
13th August.
The 13th of Wednesday.
Daybro.
Daybro. 2014.
What are we doing?
I know it's Wednesday because we're saying goodbye to our old washing machine. Dishcloth.
Let's drag it up a bit.
But what's happening? No one's explaining what's going on.
We're trying to put it in the car to take it to the tip.
Alright, let's get it in the car then.
Bodine, I suggest you put the bird on the seat. And what's happening, Bob? The bird that's been turning the bus blinkers on every day we come home.
Oh, hang on.
Turning right every
Going the
day.
other way, actually.
You're trying to find the blinkers in here.
Going the other way. Right, that way. Okay, now, if you just want to get on that side and I'll get on this side. Just lift this end up. Okay, now grab here, Bodie.
Yep.
Ready, 1, 2, 3. Now put them legs on there. Now hop out of the way, you're not going to squash anything, are you? Just...
Are you right? By the way, he's trying to talk Bruno back. Where's Bruno?
Yes, the door's
Bruno!
shut.
Where's Bruno?
I just got to lock the door on the bus.
Where's Bruno? No, wait, where's Bruno? Hey, Kim. Sorry. Bruno's in there. Where's Bruno?
Okay. Goodbye, old friend. There you go.
Here you go.
Okay, that's it. Alright, something on it?
Lid.
Okay, I need a hand to lift
Does
this
it
up.
have a lid?
Yeah.
Dad has it.
Can I have it?
Oh yeah, we'll be right. Watch your hand, watch your hand.
It's gonna push it.
Say goodbye. Bye.
See you all.
It's gone. Let's go too.